We went over to the barn and drug it out and got it back to the garage. The guys are working on it. We've actually found all kinds of stuff in the car, from snake skins to petrified mice. Dusty's doing a real good job on the inside. It's starting to look like a car again. Mike's been working on the carburetor, and I've been bouncing around on little things. We've been working on the brakes. There's not much missing off the car, which is very shocking. So I'm gonna get back to work. The trim rings, they just make the car look good. This would be the bling for 1938. 1938 standards bling. $40 and $50-year-old barn dust. This is some of the hardest working guys that I have. You can see they're doing a good job. How's it going in there, Dust? Yep. Hey, listen, is it possible you could go get some glass cleaner and clean this windshield inside and out? That way, me and you can see all the ladies when we're cruising down.
Hey, I like that idea.
Yeah. I knew you would. Sometimes these trim rings, you gotta straighten them up. We don't want to straighten them up too good. The car actually had everything with it. It was either in a box or on the car, which is very rare. Even the hubcaps, you can see if you clean the hubcap, it would actually shine up real pretty, but I'm gonna leave this patina on there.
Oh my goodness. Who may can get some of this stuff off of here, I don't know.
He's steaming the windows up in here.
Man, you are, ain't you? I'm not gonna clean this glass. You in here fogging up the windshield and everything of this 38. I believe you. How many years this thing's been clean? This windshield, actually. Man. Scratchy, scratch, scratch.
Hey, Dusty.
Hey, Dusty, I'm trying to sleep over here.
Right now, I'm adding some of this Marvel Mistral, and it's just always good to put a little bit of this in an engine that's been setting.
Is it a lubricant?
Yeah. It's an oil enhancer and oil treatment, and a lot of the old timers use it, and actually a lot of people use it in an engine that's been setting for a while. It loosens up the lifters and the valves.
Now look at this, folks. A little learning curve for you guys at home. This is a straight 8. 1938 straight 8. The motor's so long because the car is long. It's not a smart car. It's a big car, how they used to be built. Listen to this. Hard as Red's head.
Hey!
Now you move back here, you've got all these fancy things. Look at this. That's AC in 1938. Crack that little quarter light window open. Beautiful. Now the doors, if you'll notice, one door opens this way. This one at the back. This here one is called a suicide door. Now Dusty is going to show us what happens if you open this while you're driving down the road. Hence, suicide door. There you go.
What is wrong with
A man trying to commit suicide.
Hey, what's going on over here?
Good job, Luke.
What'd you do?
So never open those doors when you're going down the road, kids. If you happen to want to buy one of these 1938 cars right from Possum Hollow Garage, do not open this door whilst traveling down the road.
We just finished rewiring the car, and we've converted it over from 6 volt to 12 volt. And we've got ballast resistor on it so the coil don't burn out, and we've got 12 volt battery. We've changed the bulb to 12 volt, and a lot of folks do that so that the car cranks up easier, especially when it's cold. Right now, Mike's getting ready to adjust the carburetor and set the idle and the airflow, because he's better at that than I am.
What he's doing?
Sucker. A neighbor stopped by. He said that this was the car that Elliot Ness used when they busted Capone. And so we can put Dusty in the trunk like he's the moonshine. He can be the cargo. Okay, how much longer until we can crank this thing up? I mean, are we like getting, is that tomorrow? Is it the next day?
Kicks tires and lights fires.
So did the carburetor have to be rebuilt? Was it?
No, it hadn't been touched. It run pretty good. Just had a little bit of stuff stuck in the air adjuster valves.
Just some crud?
Yeah, just kind of working back and forth a little bit, and it'll suck it through.
Yeah.
We got the car drug out of the old barn about a week and a half ago. We've been working on it every day. And we just got a call a little while ago. And we found out that our good friend Horus, who was helping us on the project, passed away last night. I know that he's in a better place. He's in that big junkyard in the sky right now. We're going to dedicate this to Horus. We sure miss you. And here goes.
I don't know. Look at shot.
Yeah.
Hey, yeah. It runs, does it drive?
Do what?
It runs, does it drive?
Well, I tell you,
Or works.
that was Horus telling us that the horn works good. So we don't even know if it drives. So one thing we do know is there's nothing to set on in the car because we took the old seats out. Everybody find something to set on and we will try to drive this car.
We're going to the ice cream parlor.
Hey, so
Got it.
I don't know about y'all, but I got me a milk crate.
I got me a regular chair.
That's an old school chair.
No, I got the cactus chair.
Oh no.
I got a fire, I got a bucket.
You got your jug?
A jug of shine.
The car weighs about 3,800 pounds right now, and we're not sure what's going to happen, but we're thinking we're going to overweight it.
Children, everybody ready?
I don't see any seat belts in here. This is a
The hell
problem.
ain't no good. You got the police to get us now. We ain't got seat belts.
This is a big moment. We're going to see if this thing will drive.
You going? No, we got a
I'm
bucket.
not sure they can not get another sardine in there. Hey, Mac.
Come on in here. We got a bucket for you. Room for one more.
You know who you don't want to encounter is Elliot Ness, right?
Yeah.
That's the original revenuer. Elliot Ness is who brought down Capone.
Yeah, Elliot Ness.
Get in here.
Me and you are going to get to know each other a little bit more.
Get in here.
Really sure where the ears are at in
This is like going on a date.
Some more than a jug.
Hey, get your hand off my leg. Here goes.
Turn on the air conditioner.
This 1938 Buick project was really fun to do. From dragging it out of the old barn, bringing it back to the garage, everybody putting their hands on it.